Hello, guys. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. How is everyone? Yes, guys. How is everybody? I hope everything is okay. I forgot my MacBook to charge. I didn't even know that I don't have um, any
Ako.
any charge to my. Oh my gosh, I don't have any fixing. Yes, guys, it's very, very quiet Sunday for today. I'm really very excited.
Yes.
Okay. Hello, Day Michi Manalo. How are you, Day? How are madungog ko ni mo, Day? Marinig. You can hear me? You can hear me, Day? You can hear me? You can hear me? Bless Sunday host. Oh, yes. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. How are you doing?